Are you tired of mindless eating? Do you find yourself eating without truly tasting or enjoying your food? Want to transform your meals into moments of joy and wellness? Imagine turning every bite into a celebration of flavors and nourishment. Discover how to cook with love and intent. It's not just about the ingredients, it's about the energy and care you put into your cooking. In this video, I'll cover mindful eating, healthy recipes, and simple tips to elevate your food experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tips are for everyone. Stay tuned for easy ways to bring more intention to your meals. You'll learn how to make every meal a mindful and enriching experience. We've all been there, eating on autopilot, feeling rushed, or turning to food for comfort. It's a common experience in our fast-paced lives. But what if your meals could be more than just fuel? What if they could be a source of joy, connection, and well-being? What if they could be a source of nourishment for your body and soul? Imagine the impact of eating with intention and gratitude. The secret lies in cooking with love and intent. It's about more than just following a recipe. It's about infusing your food with positive energy. It's about slowing down, being present, and infusing your meals with positive energy. When you cook with love, it shows in the taste and the experience. Start by choosing fresh, wholesome ingredients. Visit your local farmer's market or pick vegetables from your garden. Take a moment to appreciate the colors, textures, and aromas. Engage all your senses in the process. Think about the people you're cooking for and the joy you'll bring to their lives. Cooking with love is about creating memories and connections. Let's dive into some practical tips and techniques. These simple steps can transform your cooking and eating experience. Tip 1. Practice mindful chopping. Focus on the rhythm of your knife. Feel the texture of the vegetables as you chop. Tip 2. Engage your senses. Smell the herbs, taste the spices. Let the aromas and flavors guide your cooking. Tip 3. Set a calm atmosphere. Light a candle, play relaxing music. Create a peaceful environment that enhances your dining experience. Tip 4. Plate your food beautifully. Presentation matters. A well-plated dish can elevate the entire meal. Tip 5. Express gratitude. Before you eat, take a moment to appreciate your meal. Reflect on the effort and love that went into preparing it. Cooking with love and intent is more than just a technique. It's a way to connect with yourself and others. It's about creating a sense of community and shared joy. It can reduce stress, improve digestion, and boost your overall well-being. When you cook and eat mindfully, you create a positive impact on your health. When you put love into your meals, you're nourishing your body and soul. It's a holistic approach to eating that benefits both your physical and emotional health. Ready to transform your meals? Start today by incorporating these tips into your cooking routine. Try these tips and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Share your experiences and inspire others to cook with love and intent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more healthy eating inspiration. Your support helps me create more content for you. Share this video with someone who needs a little mealtime love. Spread the joy of mindful eating with your friends and family. Click the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Stay connected for more tips and recipes. Thank you for watching, and remember, every meal is a chance to nourish your body and soul. Make each meal a mindful and loving experience.